Now, the Supreme Court is all set to hear the plea challenging the remission of 11 convicts in Bilkis Bano's case today. This comes, remember, after Gujarat government stated the convicts were granted early release after the centre approved of it. In an affidavit, Gujarat government has stated Union Home Ministry approved Bilkis Bano rapists' release due to their good behaviour. The decision was taken as per 1992 remission policy issued by the Apex Court. Responding to the statement, the government said it took opinion of 7 authorities before granting remission to the convicts. Whereas Mumbai SP, Central Bureau of Investigation Mumbai, Special CBI Judge City, Civil and Sessions Court, Greater Mumbai opposed the release of the convicts. Remember, the convicts were released from the Godhra prison on 15th August, which sparked off a massive controversy.
On 3rd March 2002, Bilkis Bano was 21 years old, mother of a 3.5-year-old daughter and 5 months pregnant. She, along with her daughter Saleha and 15 other family members, fled their village Radhikapur in Dahod district in Gujarat on 28th February of 2002. They fled in the aftermath of the burning of the Sabarmati Express in Godhra, resulting in the deaths of dozens of pilgrims and car sevaks returning from Ayodhya. Communal violence erupted throughout Gujarat. 3 days after they left their village, they reached Chaparwad. Bilkis Bano, her mother and 3 other women were raped and brutally assaulted on 3rd March. Her daughter Saleha was also brutally murdered by the assailants. Of the 17-member group of Muslims from Radhikapur village, 8 were found dead, 6 missing. Only Bilkis, a man and a 3-year-old survived the attack. She registered a complaint with Head Constable Soma Bhai Gori, who, according to the CBI, suppressed material facts and wrote a distorted and truncated version of her complaint. Bilkis was taken to a public hospital for medical examination only after she reached the Godhra relief camp. Her case was taken up by the National Human Rights Commission and Supreme Court, which ordered an investigation by the CBI. The Central Bureau of Investigation concluded that the post-mortem examination was carried out shoddily in order to protect the accused. CBI investigators exhumed the bodies of those killed in the attack and said that none of the 7 bodies had skulls. According to the CBI, the heads of the corpses had been severed after the autopsy so that the bodies could not be identified. Bilkis Bano received several death threats. The trial was moved out of Gujarat to Maharashtra. In the Mumbai court, charges were filed against 19 men, including 6 police officers and a government doctor. In January 2008, a special court convicted 11 accused of conspiring to rape a pregnant woman, murder, unlawful assembly, and of charges under other sections of the Indian Penal Code. The head constable was convicted of making incorrect records to save the accused. 7 persons were acquitted by the court, citing lack of evidence. 1 person died during the course of the trial. The court held that Jaswant Bhai Nai, Govind Bhai Nai and by then deceased Naresh Kumar Mordia had raped Bilkis. Shailesh Bhatt killed her daughter Saleha by smashing her on the ground. Others who were convicted are Radhe Shyam Shah, Bipin Chandra Joshi, Kesar Bhai Vohania, Pradeep Vohania, Baka Bhai Vohania, Raju Bhai Soni, Nitesh Bhatt, Ramesh Chandana and Head Constable Soma Bhai Gori. Despite being bystanders to the crime, these accused were convicted of rape and murder as being part of an unlawful assembly distributes the liability of the crime, is what the court observed. All 11 convicts were sentenced to life imprisonment by the court. In May 2017, the Bombay High Court upheld the conviction and life imprisonment of 11 people in the gang rape case and set aside the acquittal of 7 people, including the policemen and doctors. In April 2019, the Supreme Court directed the Gujarat government to give 50 lakh rupees as compensation to Bilkis within 2 weeks.